Imagine this. You're preparing for an exam. The first time you read a topic, it feels confusing. But after revising it again and again, suddenly it sticks in your memory. Or think about a cricketer. The first time he practices a shot, it's rough, but after thousands of repetitions, it becomes effortless, like muscle memory. Now the big question is, what is happening inside the brain that makes practice so powerful? The answer lies in one of the most fascinating discoveries of neuroscience, long-term potentiation, also called LTP. This is the secret behind how we learn, how we remember, and how practice literally rewires our brain. And let me tell you, this is not just theory. In fact, this very concept was asked in the psychology exam of 2020. Which of the following describes the enduring facilitation of synaptic transmission that occurs after high-intensity and high-frequency stimulation of presynaptic neurons? The answer is long-term potentiation. Now let's understand it step by step. So what is long-term potentiation? LTP is the long-lasting strengthening of communication between two neurons when they are repeatedly activated together. In simple words, the more two neurons talk, the stronger their friendship becomes. That's why scientists say neurons that fire together, wire together. How does this actually happen in the brain? Whenever one neuron sends a signal to another, it releases a chemical messenger called glutamate. This glutamate binds to two types of receptors, AMPA receptors. They open quickly and allow fast signaling. NMDA receptors. They normally stay blocked, but with repeated high-frequency stimulation, they open and let calcium ions enter the neuron. Now, calcium is the real game changer. It tells the neuron this connection is important. Make it stronger. As a result, more AMPA receptors get added to the surface. The dendritic spines, tiny branches on neurons, grow bigger. This makes the synapse more powerful and long-lasting. Why is this important for us? Because LTP is the biological basis of learning and memory. When you revise for exams, repetition strengthens your memory. When you practice a dance step, your brain circuits for that step become permanent. When a sportsman trains daily, his movements become automatic. Think of it like a forest path. Walk once and it's faint. Walk every day and the path becomes clear and permanent. That's exactly how LTP makes memories stick.